Alright, hello everyone, welcome to this quick video here. So in this video I want to talk about autosave and how you save your work on VS Code, right? So I know many of us use this feature where you just go ahead to click on file and you turn on autosave. So whenever you're working, you can tend to autosave your file straightforward so you don't forget. I mean, it's stressful to be clicking Ctrl S every time you're working and all of that, right? I want to say it might also have its own side effects, right? So imagine you're working on a Streamlit project, or you're working on a project that has to do with npm run dev or npm start, or you're working with vite dev or all of that, right? So you notice that once you click on Ctrl S, right, whenever you click on Ctrl S, what happens is your npm tends to run again, right? So if you're using Streamlit, so I click on Ctrl S, your Streamlit gets saved. But it won't really make sense when you are saving every time you are typing something. So let's say you have a bug and you're typing something, everything tends to save automatically, right? So notice this now, whenever I start typing something, I type anything, you see that everything tends to save automatically. You can see it's not showing that button, right? Everything is saving automatically, and this might have its own side effects. So the better option that I use personally is to use this option here that I'm going to show you right now. I want you to go to your VS Code settings, right? Go to settings, and you can see here files autosave. You can see it's after delay, right? So immediately you press any key, or you change anything, automatically it gets saved. And you can do the feature where you can turn on autosave. With that, you would have to be clicking on Ctrl S every time you are done working. But there's something interesting here that I want you to try out, which is onFocusChange, right? So this is what I use personally now. I don't use the autosave on delay again, right? So this is very useful. So how this works is your file does not change immediately, right? So what happens is, let's say I get to type something now. Let me just say print my name, the name of the variable, right? So you can see that this has not changed yet, right? You can see from this particular icon here, it's showing this white circle. That means it's not changed. But what happens is, whenever I click outside that particular tab, you can see I clicked on this place now, right, and it saved automatically, right? So this feature is very, very useful if you are using npm run dev, if you are using Streamlit, if you are using a live localhost, right, and you don't want to be saving your work every time you type a letter or all of that, right? So make sure you try it out and let me know in the comment section if you prefer the after delay or if you prefer the on focus. Whatever one you prefer, let me know in the comment section, and also tell me what type of videos you want me to make. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.